Hey everyone, Slick4Tech here. In today's video we are doing a quick benchmark test for the Samsung Galaxy Fold. This is Antutu. So Antutu's test is done and we got a score of 455,370. CPU you could see we got 140, about 140k, 175k for GPU, 72k for memory, and 69k for UX it says. Temperature monitor is also on 32 degrees, technical. I'm not going to read it out, you could just see it yourself. And then GPU we got these. Memory is these. And UX is this. Now, just for a quick comparison, this is a Snapdragon 855, remember that. Here we also have the OnePlus 7T Pro, and this has the 855 plus, about 40,000 points. Now, did the Galaxy Fold win in any area? Well, you could see for yourself. Well, here it is. This is 3Dmark Extreme. I think this is the highest one you can do, possibly. I'm going to just turn it this way. And of course, I'm going to skip to the end again. So we're back, and the results are here now for 3Dmark Slingshot Extreme OpenGL ES 3.1, and you can see we got 5,711, 6,358 for graphics, physics is 4211, Vulkan we got 5021, 5900, 3301. And of course for comparison, again we have the OnePlus 7T Pro, and this is with this Snapdragon 855 Plus. This is the Snapdragon 855, so the difference you could see, still a lot higher. Physics score is only 300 high, so that's a good thing compared to before. And for Vulkan we're about 500 points higher on the 55 Plus of the 7T Pro. 600 more graphics score, and about 200 more physics score. Now, of course, you can open these, and you could see the difference because they show you FPS and stuff too. So you could see on this graphic test 1, we actually got about 40 FPS. On this one, OnePlus 7T Pro, we got 43. On this we got 21, and here we got 24. So it's a few FPS higher. And we got about 60 FPS there, 45 FPS and 24 FPS, but 60 FPS, 49 FPS, 27 FPS, so a few FPS higher. Now for battery life, it doesn't say much, but you could see we went from 30 to 38, and this is only 28 to 31, so obviously this runs hotter. Makes sense, OnePlus 7T Pro is known to be very cool. And there's not much else to see other than that, I think. And Vulkan, you could see the details yourself as well. Nothing too interesting, I think, but that's it for the benchmark test. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.